So I'm going to be taking you to some of the best hot chocolate around New York City. Some of the places I've been to personally, some I found online that were highly recommended, and some people told me about. I'm going to be hitting up Queens, Brooklyn, and Manhattan to try to find some of the best. I anticipate to be a part 2 because there is so many places in New York City to get hot chocolate, and I didn't get a chance to test them all out. I also paid for all of these by myself, and no one knew I was coming, so there's no biased view here. And I also have one honorary mention because this place only sells it seasonally, but you'll have to wait till the end of the video to find out what that honorary mention is. So keep on watching for the best hot chocolate in New York City. So we're getting ready to go into Sweet Leaf to get some hot chocolate. I've heard about this place a ton of times on the internet for the past few years. So let's go inside and try some hot chocolate. Chocolate, it's $4.25, but if you want alternative milk like I got, soy milk, they added an extra 75-cent charge, so it actually came to like $5.45 for this little thing. But it is very rich, very creamy, and really good. You just have to be careful sipping on it because it's pretty hot. Fine and raw chocolate in Bushwick, Brooklyn, and they actually make their own chocolate in here. They get the beans imported from Ecuador and Ghana, so you gotta come here in Bushwick, get some hot chocolate. It costs $4, and they also have coffee, shakes, and other things in there, and you can buy chocolate inside of there. They have truffles and everything, and it smells amazing, so let's try it out. It's extremely rich, and it tastes like, it almost tastes like you're like drinking the bean. I guess that's why they call it fine and raw. So, and I heard that you get the utmost protein and nutrient from this chocolate because it is fine and raw. So yeah, check it out in Bushwick. Dark chocolate, hot chocolate. Waiting for it to cool off because I don't want to burn my mouth. So this time we're in the city, or for my non-New Yorkers, Manhattan, at Blue Stripes, and I got a dark hot chocolate. It cost about $5.45 with the tax. I haven't tried it yet because I don't want to burn my tongue like I did last time, but when I do, I will keep you informed. Well, yeah, I'm not going to try it right now. I'm gonna try to take a taste. Hopefully I don't burn my mouth. It's really good. Kind of reminds me of that fine and raw spot in Brooklyn a little bit, but it's still really good. The dark chocolate. I can't get the full taste because it's so hot, but it does taste really delicious. And I saw they had other flavors in there, like regular hot chocolate, some wild hot chocolate, and some other ones. So they also have a a frozen one called Clouds. So if you're not into hot things, you can get something cold. Alright, we're outside of Jacques Torres in Dumbo, and we're about to go check out some hot chocolate in there. I've seen it a bunch of times on a bunch of lists, so let's see how good it is. So let's go. So I got the classic hot chocolate. It was $4.34. The fastest I've seen anybody make a hot chocolate. I haven't tasted it yet because it's hot, but it smells really good. So we'll check it out in a second because I'm not trying to burn my tongue like I did last time. So they had 3 different types of hot chocolates. The classic, a snowball one that had vanilla ice cream in it, and one that had some different spices. I got the classic. I'm about to try it right now. Hopefully it doesn't burn me. I didn't give it that much time. It's pretty good. It's very creamy, very thick. Probably should have got a bottle of water to wash it down, but it's pretty good. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's one of my top favorite ones, but it is pretty good. So check out Jacques Torres in Dumbo on 6 Water Street. All right, next stop on this hot chocolate tour, Martha's Country Bakery. Gotta come here. Martha's Bakery, and I got the red velvet hot chocolate because I've been there before and I already know it's amazing, so I got a medium. Also got whipped cream. That's an extra 50 cents, but just like I knew it would be amazing. We also have regular hot chocolate, peanut butter, Nutella, and Mexican hot chocolate, so you can get your fill at Martha's Country Bakery. They're small and large. Alright, we're at Marie Bell down in Soho on Grove Street. This little cup here is $7.62. It's the most expensive hot chocolate I've bought to date. I got the dark chocolate Aztec, which has 65% instead chocolate, so it smells really good. It smells rich. You can see it's kind of hot with all the burn in the tongue. Wow, that is really, really thick, really rich, and very creamy, just off a slight little taste. So, I got a s'mores hot chocolate. Took her a minute to make this little masterpiece, but I'm waiting for it to cool off. Bubbly. That's really, really good. That's really good. I got the s'mores hot chocolate. And it's really hot, but because the whipped cream is cooling it off, so I can actually drink it and try it. And I got a s'more in the s'mores. Side of Ample Hills in Astoria, Queens. And you don't have to come to Astoria, Queens to get the hot chocolate or to go to Ample Hills because there's a ton of them in Brooklyn and Manhattan. But I'm at the one in Astoria, and for the season, they're doing hot chocolate. They have a Mexican, original, and a s'mores. I got the s'mores. There was a s'mores inside of it. I ate it. But it's really good. And it's seasonal, so come on out to this one or any of the other ones and check them out.